In the present days, our planet is marked by the negative impacts that our species makes on natural ecosystems that tend to diminish the planet's biodiversity, either by modifying and simplifying the heterogeneity of habitats or reducing biological interactions between species. Urbanization is an example of a growing global impact that acts in conjunction with other global impacts and contribute to the loss of species that use coastal ecosystems. In Brazil, the coastal region is approximately 7,500 kilometers long and is characterized by a wide diversity of ecosystems, including estuaries, mangroves, restingas, caves, rivers, rocky shores, sand beads, islets, and slabs. Resident and migratory coastal birds constitute a significant part of the biodiversity with more than 150 species that use the sand beads either to feed themselves, to reproduce, or in the case of migratory species as place of temporary or permanent rest after long migration routes. The state of São Paulo has the highest demographic index of people in Brazil. A large part of this population use the approximately 426 kilometers of coast of the state as recreational place mainly during the summer when the human population in coastal cities increases considerably. The high number of people in this period is mainly due to the proximity of the city of São Paulo to the coast, which is considered one of the largest cities in Latin America. Despite all this influx of people, little is known about its actual impact on the biology of resident and migratory bird species that frequent the beaches or on the positive or negative relationships that some birds may have with people.